Welcome back to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Well, I hope you guys doing good. Happy gardening to everyone. Shout out to all the beautiful hearted people. Peace and love to you. All right, guys. So, guys, these are some black-eyed peas I get from the store, and I decide I'm gonna try them. And these are some of them right here that's growing up here. These are, yes, this whole area here coming up here is black-eyed peas. And then guess what? When I look, I see they start to blossom right there. So yes, this is black-eyed peas from the store that I definitely try something, because I didn't have no black-eyed peas seed and I love black-eyed peas. So I said, all right, let me plant some of them, and this is what's going on. They're looking lovely. Let me show you some more I have down here. All right, so we have more coming up right here. This, yes, and I saw, yes, this one I saw the blossom as well. You see the blossom over there. So what I'm hoping that I'm gonna able to get black-eyed peas before the last fall, because you know black-eyed peas, I want them to dry, and it's very important to give black-eyed peas trail to run on. Even though they almost reach up here, I still got to do some addition, because I want to make sure they run and able to grow properly, so they could produce as much as they can. So the trail is very important. Going over here. So all here, they're gonna grow and come all this area. Then I'm gonna raise it up as well. All right, so this is black-eyed peas I'm growing for the first time, hoping to see great result. Peace and love.